We got a lazy dinner tonight, so we about to get right into it. Y'all know I hate cooking during the week, but we ran out of our meal prep. So we about to get into a lazy dinner. I got my green peppers, my onions, and my garlic. I'm going with some ground turkey. Very lean, very light. For the first time in forever. Garlic powder. Some onion powder. Italian. Got some garlic and herb. Why doesn't no one to come out the thing today? Add some red pepper flakes in. Not too much, just get a little spicy. All right, I'm about to go ahead and strain this. So we got our pasta water. My husband like angel hair, and I totally had forgot about that. So I guess he just gonna have to deal with it. I don't know. I'm going with the Italian and the herbs pasta sauce. Do y'all like a little bit of pasta sauce or y'all like extra pasta sauce? Me, I like extra. So I will be adding in another jar. Gotta add that water to that jar to get everything out. No sauce left behind. We got some meatballs we gonna add in. And these are chicken meatballs. Wow.
When I get my mermaid tail and when it's summer.
Oh, yeah, you know that's kind of far away right now.
Oh, what?
Summertime, it's not here right now.
Yeah. But I'm going to keep that in my phone until summer's here.
Okay. Cool. I think I'm gonna add in some more meatballs. All right, we're gonna add some more seasoning. I'm gonna do a little bit more red pepper flakes as well. Italian seasoning. Garlic powder. Garlic and herbs. I've never added sugar to my spaghetti, but we gonna try it today. And if it come out nasty, we gonna have a problem. Because y'all told me to do it. And I like this pasta sauce too, y'all. It got the chunky tomatoes in it. I'm gonna add some bay leaves in there too while this simmer. Put the top on that. Then we're gonna throw the noodles in this pot. I think I want to break them in half. Do I want to break them in half? No, I don't. Here, come put some in. Don't touch the stove, it's hot. Here.
Hey, look, they already got squiggly too.
You gonna put them in? Just put them all in. Okay, thank you. While our noodles are cooking, we are going to get started with our bread. So I got some French bread. It's already pre-sliced for me. I told y'all quick and easy. It's already sliced. I'm going for the, I guess, bigger slices. Smaller and bigger. All right, three. This bread is so soft. All right, I think that should be enough. All right, so I have a garlic and herb butter here that I made with some Italian seasoning also. So I'm just gonna spread that across my bread and then pop this in the oven. All right, we're gonna pop those in the oven. So I got a Caesar salad with some spinach that I added into it. And it just came in a little salad kit, and then I added the spinach on the side. My Parmesan, Yummy likes the croutons. I personally can do without. Caesar. This one does not come with its own seasoning, so I kind of got to add my own in it. Add me some pepper. A little salt. Might need a little bit more dressing. Let's see. And we're gonna add the dressing on the side to our own personal salad. So I'm not gonna add any extra in here. We got our own eggs. Yummy got hers, I got mine, and then I got my husband's on the side. We're gonna put me and Yummy's, because me and Yummy, we eat the salad the most. So spaghetti. And yes, I call this the lazy way. So I made the spaghetti the lazy way. You know what? We're not gonna give her all that. This is enough. This is enough. Demon hot. She loves her meatballs. Let's give her some more sauce. Can you not do that while I'm fixing the plate? I find it very, you know, Got some Parmesan cheese. Yeah, come on. Put the noodle in your mouth.
I'm good at it.
You gotta hold it over your food and tilt it at an angle. Oh, you do? Well, I just had to help you. All right, thank you. That's enough. I think that's enough. That is enough for it though. All right, let me just clean her plate up a little bit so we can put her salad on this side. Let's go ahead and put her eggs on her plate. Y'all, we can eat salad every day, okay? We don't get tired of salad at all. I'm gonna give her a little bit more dressing. I'm actually introducing her to the spinach inside of the salad. Normally, I just give her the Caesar, but we gotta sneak it in a little bit. Put those eggs on top of her salad. Add her a little bit of ranch. Why isn't it coming out? There we go. All right, that's enough. I'm gonna actually put her toast on the side of her tray, so everything is just not touching. All right, her drink of choice tonight is some cranberry juice. So we're gonna give her a little bit of that. Add her a little straw on the side. And that is her dinner. Spaghetti, very lazy, but you know, it'll get the job done. Let's fix dinner for my husband, and we're gonna have to wrap it up for him. And I did chicken meatballs. And he loves extra Parmesan, so we're gonna make it real nice and cute for him. Go all the way around the spaghetti with it. All right, now, I think that's enough. If it ain't, he got a problem. That's his dinner plate, and we're gonna wrap it. Okay, so his dinner is all wrapped. So when he gets home, he'll have a nice hot meal. Dinner is done. Finish.
And it's tea.
Okay, girl.